petticoats. Oh my goodness. Ruffles. Lace. Where are they at? Here. Gorgeous pin tucks. Lace insertion. Stunning. I have a little more of a simple one. A lovely little broderie on glass. And then this one here. A little bit embroidered, layered. Ribbon. Sometimes the ribbon has a bow. Can't find a bow. Sweet, sweet, sweet. So pretty. Nice soft ecru. 2 layers of ribbon insertion. There's another very old one. Lights. A little bit of lace. And then this one has actually been taken apart. But could be fantastically useful. Bustling at the back to make things nice and full. Gorgeous. Okay. Best collection. Big treasure.
Oh, those are from Marie Antoinette.
Marie Antoinette.
That I was gonna take a pattern off of.
Sleeve. Oh, I love these sleeves. This way, right? Could be fun. I think they go up higher. And then some little gloves. So, the gloves are from Versailles. Is that what you meant by Marie Antoinette?
Yeah.
These ones are from Versailles. So lots of sleeves. So I found the bag of sleeves. So now, where are the mitts? So in this little treasure trove, we have some crocheted corset covers, actual antiques that we're bringing with us. Little petite ones.
Oh, where's the umbrellas though?
I don't know what umbrellas you're trying for.
I found the lights,
Okay.
but then there's some umbrellas that go with them too, so I need to find
Okay.
those, and I don't remember where
So pretty. This one's a little bit bigger. It's filet crochet. It's lovely insertion, shells at the top. Speaking as someone who crochets, lots of work.
Where did I put the cozy?
This is probably not coming.
Okay, keep moving. Keep
Watch
moving.
out, Popo.
Keep moving.
This one's so tiny, but maybe we'll have someone small enough.
Oh, it's got squirrels on it. Zoom in on the squirrels. That's the one
Squirrels.
from Deluxe Junk.
Ah. Beauty. Can look in the camera.
Oh no, she made it as a dress. Should make it into a skirt. But there should be a skirt. The bottom drawer is all the petticoats and stuff.
Oh, I found them all.
Okay.
They're all here.
And these are, yeah, the little boxes are garters and stuff.
I love this one with the crochet at the top. It's so pretty.
Oh, this is the tuxedo jacket. Why is this folded? But the tuxedo jacket could be kind of cool.
Yeah, yeah,
You
for
know.
the.
Well, it's a woman's size. It's
Yeah, but it could
It
be
looks
for someone who doesn't necessarily want to be a woman.
Exactly. Yeah.
I love it. Yeah, let's bring it. Let's see where
Here,
this
let me get in
camera
front of the camera.
is here. Love it. It's perfect. looks cute with the Marie stays because it looks like a little vest. Yeah, come back there for a second. Yeah, it does. Gives that little vest look. Perfect.
And I have the vest. I do have one. These are the paper lace petticoats.
Yeah, we'll do those ones too. Perfect. Do, 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 do. Silk tassels, so pretty. Over skirt. What have we got here? Our lovely Canadian April Cornell designer. Makes beautiful, sweet little things. She lives in Montreal and has everything made in India. So it's beautiful cotton. And what have we got here? Another Victorian delight. Beautiful petticoat. Lace. Very Edwardian pin tucks. Let's get in the light here, shall we? Lace. Insertion. Pin tucks. Beauty. Okay. And we have another April Cornell. This one I think is from about 10 years ago. I have one with pink ribbon because of course I love pink. Like lace tucks. Nice to get into when your hair is already done because it buttons up. This one is the same, just another size. Now we have some fun. This little bum ruffle, bustle. You gotta put this little bustle on your butt. Do to a petticoat. Fantastic. Thanks,
Or
babe.
if you want a different bustle pad, there's these ones. This one's so which is quilted. It's so pretty.
Satin. Oh, so pretty. Let me see what that does with a petticoat over top. Double layer, but still. Oh yeah, that's very interesting. Pointy butt. And then there's the panniers, which we'll have to use 2 of our beautiful paper lace. Oh, so fun. Pockets, so you can put your little dog in there, your little wallet in there. Full Marie Antoinette effect. I love it.
Collapse. Easy.
Easy, light, fun. Cool.
I don't know why that key is not letting me into the electrical room.
Oh no, maybe you changed the lock. Let's put our bustles together here. Ready for packing. There's a pink April Cornell chemise and a vintage crochet corset top, corset cover with butterflies. Can you see the butterflies? filet crochet. Popular, easy. It's just a grid. So when you crochet one in a space, and there's no space. It's actually crocheted. Yeah. And a little Lace Embrace made. Chemise. Lovely cotton. Paper cotton. Beautiful. A well-worn little chemise. Enjoyed its time in the sun from the looks of it. Perhaps in the sun in the window. But fully wearable. And then we have a lace shawl. Oh, it's actually a poncho, but we will use it as a shawl. Works great as a skirt as well. And a lace capelet. So fun. Sort of remember these coming in. Beautiful. Now, what else? So we have our paper lace. Brand new petticoats. Beautiful. I'm wearing the jeans. That one. This one. Great to have multiple colors. Nice stone wash. I love the ruffle on this one. It's so beautiful. We'll fluff it up. And one more. This one. The multi-layers. So it stays light, but it gives lots of fluff and air. Super fun to flirt around with. And then showed you some hats earlier, but these will be some of the hats we're bringing. This one is very special. Feathers and lace. Gotta preserve these feathers. These floofs were tied, hand tied, to be nice and long and beautiful. Oh, babies, come back. Lovely. Oh, look, things everywhere. This one, pink. I wore this as an Easter bonnet one year. Little comb in the front for a rakish angle. And then several more hats. Oh, the bonnet. The Easter bonnet, the true Easter bonnet. The little flowers inside, and pretty bow. Absolutely exquisite on a little girl or a young woman. Beautiful. And the mother's bonnet. Here it is. Absolutely stunning on. I love it. It's so pretty. Big feather. Gorgeous little flowers. Beautiful bow.
Beautiful beaded shawls, which are so fun because then you can like drape them and then they'll just create really nice contrast with photos and stuff. So
I love it.
yeah.
Perfect.